Here is a basic circuit. You have a battery for a power supply, a fuse for circuit protection, a switch to turn the circuit on and off, and a load, which can be a light bulb in your off-road lights or a coil in a relay. When the switch is turned on, the light will go on, and when the switch is turned off, the light will go off. If a relay is put in place of the load, the relay will energize and de-energize as the switch is turned on and off. If a load or bulb is put on the contacts of the relay and then wired into the battery, when the relay energizes, the bulb will energize. If it de-energizes, the bulb will de-energize. Here's your basic switch. When you put 4 of these in a row off of one power supply, you can have 4 individual switches. Here is an LED switch. An LED switch lights up when the switch is turned on. And here is 4 LED switches hooked up to one power supply. With 4 switches hooked up, each individual one can power its own load. Here is a relay powered by switch 1, which is energizing our load. Here's the real-world applications for what you've just learned. To wire up my switches, I ran one 12-volt power supply and connected to all switches, a ground connected to all the switches, and an individual load wire for each switch. I ran all this wiring through the firewall where the clutch cables would go, into the engine compartment, across over to the battery. At the battery, I installed a terminal strip where I can land all 4 switch wires and have them ready for use. With these 4 terminal blocks, you could add 4 more sets of lights, horns, or any other things to your Jeep you would like. You will still need to use the relay from the kit and attach to the battery and to a good ground, but all the wiring through the firewall to your switches is now complete.